Hello, today we will guide you through how to change fees and slippage on Axiom Pro Trade. To begin, open the Axiom Sol Discover page in your browser. This is the main workspace where you can access your trading interface and adjust preset settings. Once the page is fully loaded, take a moment to get oriented with the layout. You'll want to focus on the lower left area of the screen since that's where the preset controls are located. Next, click on Preset 1 at the bottom left of the screen. This opens the first preset configuration, which allows you to customize trading values that can be reused later. Presets are helpful because they let you save preferred settings in advance, so you don't have to re-enter them each time you place a trade. With Preset 1 selected, enter a sample slippage value. Slippage controls how much price movement you're willing to accept while the trade is being processed. In fast-moving markets, this can make a difference in whether an order goes through successfully. As you type in the sample value, make sure you're entering it in the correct field and double-check that the number looks right before moving on. After that, enter a sample priority value. This setting is generally used to influence how quickly the transaction is processed. A higher priority may help your trade get picked up sooner, depending on network conditions. Again, enter the sample amount carefully so your preset reflects exactly what you want to use. Then enter a sample bribe value. This field is another fee-related setting and may be used to improve transaction handling under certain conditions. Just as with the previous entries, make sure the value is typed into the correct input box. It's a good habit to review all three fields together, slippage, priority, and bribe, before changing presets, so you know preset 1 has been updated the way you intended. Once that's done, click on Preset 2. This lets you move to another preset slot, which is useful if you want to compare or maintain different configurations for different trading situations. You don't need to make any additional edits here in this walkthrough, just select it so you can see how easy it is to switch between saved setups. Finally, click on Preset 3. This shows the third available preset slot and completes the process of navigating between multiple preset configurations inside Axiom Pro Trade. That's it. You've now seen how to access the preset area, update the fee and slippage related fields in Preset 1, and switch between Preset 2 and Preset 3 for quick configuration management.